Good morning. What day is it today? Tuesday. A blessed Tuesday to all of you. I couldn't sleep properly because my mind was pacing, and it's with regards to what has been happening. You guys might not notice, but some might notice. You wonder why people, especially some celebrities or famous people or public figures or influencers, don't participate. Some don't participate at all when it comes to things of national interest, things of urgent national interest. In this case, it's the Justice for Cwecwe story and issue and problem and challenge. And the reason why I'm saying this is that the amount of bullying I'm getting either on my inboxes or people publicly talking about me, that some guy posted something saying, I think Somizi thinks this is his mother and father's South Africa. South Africa belongs to his parents. Can't he just sit down for a while? Because why does he involve himself in things that don't involve him? He likes attention. On X, some saying he won't pay, he just likes attention, and. Those things hurt. And unfortunately for them, I am much stronger and wiser and smarter to know that I will not let them distract me from participating or getting myself involved in things that need or my attention can help, or me giving it more attention can help get it the traction and the attention that it deserves. So unfortunately for them, I'm not going to back down. But not everyone's like me. Not everyone is stubborn as me. Not everyone is bold as me. Not everyone is strong as me. Not everyone is courageous as me. Some people would look at that and go, you see, that's why I don't participate, and I'll sit back. Then you guys come for those people. Why are they quiet? They are quiet because of such things. Sis, man, it's disgusting, man. It's disgusting. But I just wanted to address it. Nothing's changed. I am so in with anything that I believe I should be involved in, and anything that I don't. But yeah, justice for Cwecwe.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. And Somizi is fuming after people said ukuthi ofuni attention ngokusita makwaqweqwe ngema lawyers. That ukuthi Somizi offered to help Cwecwe's mama ngokubhadala ama lawyers, since ushilo makwaqweqwe ukuthi they've run out of money, basanayo ngisho nemali yokubhadala ama lawyers, bafuna kuthengisa netimoto, and they are selling their house only makatotholi ijustice yemntwana akhe nje kuphela, definitely justice. Anganandzaba nokuthuluzana ngamala aqale phansi yonke into, as long as atothola ijustice for uQwekwe. And Somizi offered to help ngokubhadala ama lawyers, and there are people alabasendela Somizi ama DM labanye babhala ngaye lapha etingudleni toqhumana saying ukuthi Somizi uthanzi attention utifaka nalanga angangeni khona. Guys, what is he gonna benefit from this? The only thing la ifuna Somizi kusita, and everyone uyasita, everyone ufuna justice for uQwekwe. Badlonga ukuphela laba ngabana lengqondo leyo ukuthi umuntu ufuna attention, umuntu ufuna kubonwa ngendzaba le serious ngale ndlela. So people said ukuthi wena Somizi ungaba naki bantu abantu abathathu ukuthi bafunani, la manje banehliziyo letimbi njena abafuni kubona lomnye umuntu asitakala. Thina sifunela njena justice for Cwecwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.